How to set up Slack for your team from scratch. So the very first thing that you need to do is make sure Slack is installed. Then simply open the application, tap on get started, and in here what you're going to do is simply add in your work email address. So in here you can either choose your Google account or Apple ID if you want to log in from any of those platforms. So after writing down your email address, simply tap on sign in with email, and then from there you will be getting an email. So simply go back and open your mail inbox. And just like this, you'll be getting a mail from Slack. Simply open that, and all you need to do is tap on confirm email address. So after doing that, now what you're going to do is simply tap on get started, and then from here now you'll be able to write down your name. So simply write down your name just like this, then tap on next, and in here what you're going to do is name the company or team, right? So I'm just going to name it test for now, then tap on next, and then from here what you're going to do now is simply add in all of your co-workers or your team member via your sharing link, or you can add it from your contacts, or you can even email them, right? So for now, let's just skip that option, and in here all you need to do is write down what you are actually working for. So let's just say we're working on a budget for this project, so I'm going to tap on next. So after doing that here, and that's all you need to do in order to set up Slack for your team. So in here you can now add any of your members, and in here you can see these are all of the channels you can DM your teammates to, and that's all you need to do. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.